Adults, I am cooking 4 pieces of tilapia head. I put underneath of that leaves of laurel, slice onions, and manually smash garlic and ginger. Now I'm gonna save some 1 piece of head and heart of banana. I'm also string beans. Then we're gonna put okra. I'm gonna save some because I'm putting I have some curry powder here, so I'm cooking a fish curry head of tilapia because the middle part of that and the tail part I save for the future dish. Tomorrow dish I will fry it. I'm gonna put that's curry powder. Smells good, idol. I love curry. That's the other. Keep safe. By the way, if there's a link below, don't hesitate to press it, and if you like it, don't hesitate to order it. Yum yum, eat well, keep safe. Yum yum yum, delicious. Eat well, adults. Love you.